Hello student of class 8. Here I am your science teacher Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here we have to move on the third chapter, that is reproduction in plant, chapter number 9, on which there is assessment and exercise we have to correct on and we have to do. So the first one is multiple choice question, in which first one is tick the correct answer. MCQs. First one, tick the correct answer. Whatever the answer ticked, you have to correct on that. So first one in this regard given, hormone that has a stimulatory effect on the sex organ, that is gonad. It is called gonad stimulating hormone. First one A. Second, the amount of sugar in the blood is regulated by insulin. A. Second A. Second A. Third one, the belief that the mother is completely responsible for the sex of the child is wrong, because the child gets one sex chromosomes from the mother and one from the father. Third C. Fourth one, ants can spread from an infected person to another person through sharing food, blood transfusion. B. Fourth B. Fifth, given below are the events that lead to the pregnancy and development of an embryo. In which manner? Releasing of egg, embedding, fertilization, release, fertilization, maturation. First of all, maturation, then releasing. D. 5D. Question number 6. For the metamorphosis of tadpole, which of the following element must be available in water? Chlorine, sulfur, carbon, iodine. E. Iodine. D. Question number 7. The most conspicuous visible changes that occur in the body boys during the puberty is development in voice box, production of sperm, height, sweating. B. Height. 8. Structure present in a cell which is responsible for the determination of a sex of baby is cytoplasm, nucleus, chromosomes. D. Chromosomes. 9. There is no 9 and 10 question, so this is complete. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. F-I-D, first one. First fill in the blanks is given here. Fill in the blank. First one, the end of the reproductive cycle in female is called menopause. Second, it is stimulate the testes to secrete testosterone. Pituitary glands. Pituitary glands. In female, the uterine wall thickens to receive the uterus. Sorry, uterine wall receive the embryo. Question number 4. Endocrine glands release hormones directly into bloodstream. Bloodstream for the transportation target organ or site. Fifth one, the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen are responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Testosterone and secondary sexual characteristics. This is all about the IV. Some of them are even yet you have to complete. The rest of the others. The release of sex hormones is under the control of hormones secreted from pituitary glands. Pituitary glands. 7. Insufficient production of hormones in the tadpole leads to their incomplete development. Thyroxine. Thyroxine. 9. 8. Endocrine glands are also called endocrine glands are also called endocrine glands are also called terrestrial gland. Next, match the column. Column A to B. Thyroxine, thyroxine, growth hormones, insulin, then adrenal glands. The match will be whatever the exact match. So the match is thyroxine. Thyroxine causes dwarfism. Likeness of thyroxine causes the dwarfism. Now growth hormones. Growth hormones sorry, this one is wrong. Thyroxine is important for growth. So this will be coming to the growth hormones. Thyroxine, growth hormones. It is thyroxine. First of all, adrenal. Adrenal is for salt levels. Insulin is for diabetes. Next, growth hormones. Growth hormones is for this one is water, and growth hormone causes dwarfism. This is all about the match and column. Next to this, next one is very short answer question. First, what is this? Name the hormone secreted by the thyroid gland. This is what we call answer number 1, thyroxine. Thyroid glands always secreted a hormone release a hormone known as thyroxine. B, or second one, answer number 2. Name the hormone secreted by the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland secreted insulin. Insulin secreted by the adrenal gland. Third, answer number 3 is which gland is called as a master gland? Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also called as master gland. Question number 4, name the male hormone responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics. Male hormone is called as testosterone, responsible for secondary sexual characteristics. Why do some adolescents develop pimples and acne on their surface? Okay, this one. Some adult produces sebaceous gland. Some adults produces wax and fat from sebaceous gland. So there is acne and pimple on their face. Question number 5. Question number 6, one will be name the hormone that's released by the testes at onset puberty. Onset puberty, this is also the answer. Testosterone. Testosterone. Question number 7. 7 is name the female hormone produced by the ovaries that help in the development of mammary glands. What are the secondary sexual characteristic clues in case of a female or in case of a mammary gland, development of mammary gland? These are both responsible for the hormone secreted by the female. That one is estrogen. This one is called as estrogen. This particular hormone is responsible for all those happens in case of the female characteristics. Next one is question number 1 from short answer question. One is given as what is menopause. So menopause is the stage or it is the age on which the female stop producing the egg. That one is called menopause. We can say the end of the reproductive. The end of the reproductive. The end of the reproductive phase. End of the reproductive phase. When menstrual gets stopped. When menstrual stops. This is called menopause. This is called menopause. Question number 2 in short answer question, which is what initiate changes in male and female during the puberty happens? In boys, the hormone testosterone is secreted. The hormone testosterone is secreted, and in girls, estrogen. This will be the happen as the age of puberty. So this is all about that topic. We will discuss on to the next topic.